Hello, so here's a video of my friend's tiny house I built. Long time overdue that I show that. And I do have the film rights, she's okay with that. So this is kind of like log home style. It's a little bit dreary day, so I'm sorry. I had to come over here anyways to do the antifreeze and the plumbing. So we have a nice cathedral ceiling. So yeah, I think it's cathedral. And den is not quite finished, but so we have bump outs that serve as sofas, gives you more space. Nice fireplace, which was supposed to be a real fireplace, but it got too expensive, so we just put the propane heater in front of it. Here we have the kitchenette. Just gotta wait for the camera. There we go. So it's hooked up to a generator, solar system, which only takes care of the lights basically. It's a vacation place, so. Okay. And she wanted one level. So here we have bathroom. There's a big soaker tub for two. This is a separate, really great unit, does a great job. Hang on, just come on. No, it's not doing it. Sink. And here's the same level bathroom, bedroom, sorry. Has a queen in it. Kind of walk around